Hello everyone, you are watching TN Knowledge channel, and in this video I will show you how you can fix apps installed but not showing on home screen issue on any Android device. So before starting video, if you are new on this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more latest videos. So to fix apps installed but not showing on home screen issue, first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow every single step as I am showing you in this video. So simply just click on settings and now scroll down and click on apps option.